Parental involvement. A culture of respect between parents, students, and teachers is necessary for parental involvement. So, those who are the internal members of the school need to show respect to each other and also towards the parents. Only then the parents will be encouraged to get involved in the school activities and contribute some learning and teaching process to the school. So, a culture has to be prevalent of respect between parents, students, and teachers. Because otherwise, if the parents are not being respected by the teachers, or if the teachers are not being respected by the students, that means this circle will be a circle of hatred and irrespect. They would not be giving any respect to any relationship. Therefore, the parent involvement from the external side would not be possible. This culture comes from parents and teachers knowing each other personally. So, how will this happen? In the Pakistani context, it will only happen when the parents and the teachers they know each other and they know each other's family background and what are the needs of the parents and what are the requirements of the teachers is all known by each other. Therefore, it is more likely to develop in smaller schools because when it is going to be a large school, already the schools will be overloaded with the students' number. The teachers would hardly find time to cater to the needs of the student, and therefore it will be unlikely that they will be knowing about all the parents in the school and all the children would come to them talking about their family backgrounds and their parents. So it will become very difficult for the teachers in this scenario to know the parents personally. Also, the parents would not have a chance to meet the teachers most of the time because it is likely that because of the big number of students, the teachers are mostly involved and busy in teaching activities. Therefore, the relationship in the smaller school is much better between the teachers and the parents. However, this is not something which cannot be changed. In the large schools also, the teachers can develop the relationship with the parents and they can make a distinction between the parents who are coming from the primary school level and the parents of the children coming from secondary school level and give them time accordingly. For example, the primary schools usually get off earlier, so the teachers can always give them a time which could be in the early part of the day. Whereas the secondary school children, they usually go from the school late because they are studying late till the afternoon. So the teachers can then ask the parents of those children who are in the secondary school to come to school and meet them after school or maybe on a Saturday when the teachers have fewer classes or maybe the teachers are not having any classes and they are just there in the school to do their other duties. So the teachers can try to develop a good relation with the parents in order to know them better. And in order to know them better, the other thing which is important is that the teachers, they display a good conduct in front of the parents, encourage them to ask questions that are their queries and not to avoid or ask them not to discuss about something which the teachers think is not possible to be discussed. So in any case, all the parents should be encouraged to ask anything they want to, or if they have any concern about the school or their child, they should be encouraged to talk to the teachers. It is better to discuss about the problem rather to hide it or escape from it. That is not a solution. It is going to come back again one day and with a larger problem with it. So it is better that the teachers respect the parents' need to ask anything about the school or the learning process or their child in the classroom regarding his behavior, his learning, or anything else related to their child. Because the student, the teacher, and the parent all together are going to travel and go towards this journey in order to make things better for them and achieve the goals that are set for them. So it cannot happen without the cooperation of the teachers and the parents, and of course the efforts of the students. Therefore, the teachers must remember that the parents must be involved in the school activities and especially contribute towards the learning and teaching process that is taking place in the classroom.